Ooh, have you tried the Beauty and the City mascara?
No.
It has lash fibers. It make my lashes look like awesome.
I love that. It looks good. Yeah.
Right? Ooh, and that's the Beauty and the City bronzer.
Oh.
It smells so good. And it's so light. All you need is a little dab to apply, just like that.
Wow.
And it's vegan, you know, my fave.
I love that too. I saw this hack on TikTok. You should put your bronzer up here so it
Oh,
kind of
wow.
like blends your face.
Yeah, I see that. It's like magic.
It is. So, you gonna come to my birthday party?
No, I don't think so.
Why?
I just feel like I shouldn't have to pay $50 to go to a party.
It's open bar.
But like, I don't drink that much. And you sent out a gift registry.
But of course I'm gonna send her a registry. I'm gonna try the Beauty and the City eyeliners.
Oh, they're super creamy. Yes.
Wow.
Right? That's diamond.
The color?
Mhm.
That looks so good.
Looks so good. It's so smooth to apply, right?
I love the color.
Expect people to pay for food and get you a gift?
I mean, I just went on a very expensive beach vacation last month. Traveling is expensive.
Look at your eyes. They look so snatched. Uh-huh.
So are you gonna come to my party?
If I have to pay, no. But look at us tonight. We're gonna have a good time. All right?
We look at
We do. We do.